Good evening, friends. Happy Wednesday to all of you. So, friends, I have breaking news that has just been released by Congress. President Biden has finally agreed to sign an executive order into law. And this new legislation would provide financial relief to many Americans. Senate Democrat Joe Manchin is also now supporting more parts of Biden's economic agenda. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the latest details. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card. And friends, I'll be announcing the winner in a video later today, so please stay tuned for that video.
Now I'm fighting like hell to lower costs on things that you talk about around your kitchen table. My dad used to say, at the end of the day, it's just when you sit at that table, do you have enough money to pay for everything you need? Not a lot over, do you have enough money to pay for everything you need? Well, Republicans do nothing to obstruct our efforts to lower your gas taxes. I propose that. I've asked the Congress to eliminate the federal gas tax for the next, as long as this crisis goes on. Lower food prices, lower health care costs. Hopefully soon, lower your prescription drug costs. By the way, you got a Republican leader in the United States Senate. I was able to work out something with Intel. They're going to provide for over 7,000 jobs in this state out of Columbus, making computer chips. Well, there's another bill that if we get it passed, and my guys are working like hell to pass it, it'll create another $100 million in.
We have some news from Senator Joe Manchin as Democrats try to head off a looming premium hike for Affordable Care Act plans that could affect millions of Americans. Senator Joe Manchin is said to be going over options for a fix that might fit into a larger bill. Senator Manchin is in talks right now with Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer on a filibuster-proof economic package that is currently centered on spending $500 billion and raising $1 trillion in revenue. According to two sources familiar with the talks, the bill is focused on getting more relief to Americans, energy, taxes, and prescription prices. According to two sources familiar with the talks, the bill is focused on getting more relief to Americans for energy, taxes, and prescription prices. One source said the ceiling for energy funding is $300 billion, and the prescription pricing measure is expected to save a lot of money. That makes the Affordable Care Act subsidies, which were boosted for 2 years in the 2021 Crisis Relief Bill, a potential fit for the remaining space. The cost of continuing them permanently would be $220 billion. Senator Joe Manchin has not closed the door to extending the expiring Affordable Care Act money in such a bill. A source that's familiar with Senator Manchin's thinking said he isn't pushing for it, but the funding would not necessarily be a deal breaker. If Joe Manchin does want changes to the Affordable Care Act subsidies, there are ways to meet his potential demands on the means testing benefits and lowering costs. One idea that experts have suggested is trimming subsidies at the top, either by cutting off benefits after a certain income threshold or phasing them out more gradually. Another source of savings could be reversing a 2017 move by the former president that cut off payments to insurers to help cover out-of-pocket costs for low-income customers. Senator Manchin has also expressed openness to covering low-income, uninsured residents in the states that haven't expanded Medicaid, but this provision has been estimated to cost about $180 billion. So friends, should the Affordable Care Act subsidies be extended? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Victoria Falls. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Victoria Falls, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. So here is some more big news, friends. The Biden administration just announced several new proposed changes to the federal student loan system. This is including measures that help discharge loans for borrowers, limit interest capitalization rates, and help borrowers working as public service employees to earn forgiveness on their loans. So in a statement unveiling the proposed expansion of student loan discharge programs, the Department of Education said it is expected to finalize a full plan with the aim to have the changes take effect very soon. Secretary of Education Miguel Cardona also said in the statement that proposed changes will protect borrowers and save them time, money, and frustration. The Biden administration has so far canceled nearly $26 billion for more than 1.3 million borrowers since taking office, much of which included loans obtained by borrowers who were defrauded by their college or had their school closed down before they could complete their education. Miguel Cardona also told reporters, "We are committed to fixing a broken system. Student loan benefits also should not be so hard that borrowers never actually benefit from them." The changes proposed for the federal student loan system today would help students who enrolled in schools 180 days prior to a school closure and who did not complete their education to more easily discharge the loans. Since October of 2021, the Biden administration has approved about $8.1 billion in student loan relief for 145,000 borrowers after rolling out changes to the public service loan forgiveness, which grants loan forgiveness for those serving full-time in certain public service positions. Changes to the public service loan forgiveness includes a waiver that bypassed certain program requirements and granted borrowers credit towards loan cancellation, regardless of the type of federal loan. But the waiver will expire at the end of October 2022. The Biden administration has also floated the idea of canceling $10,000 per borrower amid calls from progressives to cancel $50,000 or more per student loan borrower. So friends, what are your thoughts on student loan forgiveness? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.